This is gonna be weird. Getting drunk after this. I have a belly full of fucked up shit. Do I eat the stick or do I eat just the bush?
Eat everything.
This looks like something that should be growing underwater out of a rock. Should I just, I mean, this is my first time, dude. Should I just take the bush? I know when you cook broccoli, it smells like pea. So I'm worried that it's gonna taste like pea. It smells like a fucking leaf, motherfucker. It smells like grass, like... I'm trying, I can't get through it, I gotta spit it out.
The tears welling up in your eyes.
But the texture is fucking unexplainable. I probably could have got through the bush. Touching it off, rip it, I don't like it.
This is an
Why is it
amalgamation.
moist? It looks dry, why would it be moist? Why are there slits in it?
Carrot.
Do those grow naturally or does somebody cook them? I know I always shake them out of my ramen when I get a cup of noodle. I always shake the little orange bitches out, but sometimes it slips through. So I have like a vague taste description of what it might taste like. Yeah, I bet you can make a carrot incense. That would smell pretty good. Ooh, I'll punch on that bitch. I don't like how it splits open. No. Get it over with. Why is there juice in it? I should have done half.
You're good, man. You got it. Chew it up. You got it. Tie it down.
The fuck is wrong with people? Why do you guys eat this shit? There's not even a flavor, it's just dirt flavored. That's literally a dirt flavored wood chip. Why that bitch chip apart like a fucking log in my mouth? It's foul. That's no. Still think it would make a good incense though. There's nothing much to say about it. It's green, it's smooth, it's full of things. And here we go. It feels like I'm eating aloe. If you're a fucking caterpillar, you might like it. This is goddamn literally a stem from a plant. Celery, let's go. Tree stem soaked in pea. Oh, that tastes like. And the crisp of like those wafer candies. But
I love those.
if you soak it in pea. I'm crying so hard to keep my tongue away from it.
You got it, bro. Just fucking chew. Just chew. Just keep going. Pop that.
No way. It doesn't taste like ketchup. I thought it would taste like ketchup. I never want to taste it again. Unless you want me to say it's fucking, if I had to compare it to something, it'd be like eating a pimple. Like eating somebody's fucking abscess on their ass. Taking a bite out of an abscess. This is an abscess. That's what that is. It's disgusting. I'm done. I'm happy this is over. I'm getting fucked up now.